Do you dream of exploring Singapore but don't know where to start? This vibrant city-state is a perfect blend of modern innovation, rich culture, and breathtaking landscapes. However, to fully enjoy everything Singapore has to offer without unnecessary stress, careful planning is key. Singapore Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide, is your ultimate resource for discovering this incredible destination safely, affordably, and with unforgettable experiences. Packed with detailed information and expert tips, this ebook will help you navigate Singapore like a pro, avoiding common tourist pitfalls and maximizing your trip. Discover must-visit attractions from the iconic Marina Bay Sands and the futuristic gardens by the bay to the cultural gems of Chinatown and Little India. Learn how to get around efficiently, find the best accommodations, savor world-famous street food, and experience Singapore's top sights beyond the usual tourist spots. Plus, get insights on visa requirements, local customs, the best time to visit, and budget-friendly travel hacks. Imagine walking through the stunning Super Tree Grove, exploring hidden hawker centers, and enjoying Singapore's mix of tradition and cutting-edge architecture, all with confidence and without unexpected hassles. With this guide, you'll have everything you need for a smooth and unforgettable trip. If you're ready to explore Singapore the right way, get your copy of Singapore Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide today. Start planning your adventure with confidence.